You know, you don't have to wait till Black Friday to get great deals this month.
Simply Money's Amy Wagner shows us some of the best buys out there right now in this Consumer Alert. Whether you're in a department store, big box store, or the grocery, you want to keep an eye out for certain things on deep discount right now. Grocery stores are still trying to clear out the leftover Halloween candy, so this is a good time to pick up a few bags of M&Ms or other treats to mix into cookies or candy bark for the holidays. And make sure to hit the baking aisle too, as everything from cake mixes to sugar to sweetened condensed milk and cocoa, they're all on sale right now. And as families trade those summer menus for fall ones, prices drop on canned soup and soup mixes. Canned fruit and veggies are also on sale, as is spaghetti sauce. And if you need new pans or spatulas, this is a great time to buy them. Stores have slashed prices on everything from Pyrex measuring cups to pressure cookers and mixers. Early November is also a fantastic time to buy a wedding dress. Bridal boutiques are clearing out the 2018 inventory to make room for the new lines of gowns, so you can find big discounts on dresses from earlier this year. But waiting on other purchases will save you money. The Simply Money point: wait for end-of-season sales in January and February to buy new furniture, and wait for the white sales in January to update your linen and bedding. For Fox 19 Now and Simply Money, I'm Amy Wagner.